Welcome to this lecture. So previously we have displayed our sent messages inside this gifted chat component, and now it's time to display the response of ChatGPT just like a message inside this gifted chat. And to do that, let's firstly comment this text component in which we are displaying the results. And after doing that, inside our handle button click function, after getting the response or the result here, we again need to create a message object and append it with our gifted chat. And to do that, we already got the code here, so we can simply copy this code. So after copying it, we can simply paste it inside this then function. So here, after calling this set output message, we can simply paste the code, and there we need to make few changes. And the first change is now we need to change this input message with the data that we are getting from our ChatGPT model. So there you can see our result is stored inside this choices array inside this messages object with the key content. So we need to display this text inside this message. So we will replace this input message with this text. And after that, the next change is this user object. So as for now, the sender id is equal to 1. So here we are passing this user object where the id is 1. But now this message is for receiver, or this is the message that user is receiving. So here we will specify the receiver id to 2. And after doing that, we can simply press Ctrl S and test our application. So here I am going to send this hello how are you again, and there you can see this message is being displayed here. And after that, we should be able to see the response of ChatGPT model here. And there you can see we got the response of ChatGPT just like a normal chat message here. And the response is, I am doing well, thank you. As an AI language model, I don't have emotions like humans do, but I am always ready to assist you with any queries or tasks you might have. How can I assist you today? Similarly, inside this application, you can ask any question that you are asking from ChatGPT using their website, and you will be able to see the answer properly. So now we have completed the portion where we are displaying the messages or questions which we are sending to our ChatGPT model just like a normal chat application. Similarly, we are also displaying the response of ChatGPT. And there, after displaying the messages inside gifted chat, we can perform few more things. Like here you can notice there is a space between this message and the left corner of our device, and this is actually the space for showing the avatar or the name of the user. So here inside this user object, when we are going to set the name property, and we can set the name to like any value, so I will set it to OpenAI. And after that, let's save the changes and now send the message again. So there you can see our sent message and wait for the received message. And there you can see we got the response from ChatGPT here, but this time you can notice this round circle, and inside it you can see the text OA, which is basically the short form of OpenAI. So here you can specify or assign a name to the user and it will be displayed just like a normal chat application. And there you can also notice that there is a space between this bar and this first message, and that is because of the bar which this gifted chat is providing us. So although we have hidden that bar, but there is still this margin here. So in order to remove it completely, we need to set a property inside our gifted chat. So here inside our gifted chat component, we need to set another property, and that is min input toolbar height. So there you can see min input toolbar height, and we will set the value to 0 here. And after doing that, press Ctrl plus S So after adding this minimum input toolbar height to 0, when you will try to reload the application, there are chances that that space will not be removed. So in that case, you can completely reload or install the application again, and you will see the space will be gone. So there you can see now our chat application is working perfectly and that extra space is also gone. So that's how you can use gifted chat library inside your React Native application for displaying messages. And the process is quite simple. You just need to display this gifted chat component inside your React Native application, and then you need to add the messages inside this messages list. And in our case, we are adding the messages or the questions that we are sending to our ChatGPT model, and also the messages that we are receiving from ChatGPT model inside this messages list, and they are being displayed beautifully just like any other chat application.